Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best folding exercise bike 2023 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Yssoa Exercise Bike. Durable construction. The high-quality frame with durability and surface resiliency, the adjustable counterweighted pedals with foot straps and cushioned seat for hassle-free cycling. Real-time display. The digital counter clearly show your sport data in real time, track your time, speed, calories, distance, and heart rate. Aesthetic design. The X construction frame feature a 3.50 tooled flywheel for effective cycling. Provide smooth, quiet, and maintenance-free operation. Comfortable sport support. Wide seat and multi-position padded handlebars provide long-lasting comfort. The adjustable straps with safety straps for better pedaling experience. Accessibility. Lightweight with built-in transportation wheels. The exercise utility is designed to fold compactly. Perfect space-saving fitness solution. Number 4. Crystal Fit Exercise Bike. Folding exercise bikes for home. For people with limited space of home, this foldable exercise bike is undoubtedly a good choice. It can be completely folded, and the bike chassis is equipped with 2 rollers, which is very convenient to move or storage. Stable and quiet magnetic drive system. This stationary bike equipped with magnetic control system up to 4,000 trillion magnetic resistance, which will provide uniform resistance for a smoother and quieter driving experience during using. S-type structure. The frame of the folding exercise bike is made of thick alloy steel, and the unique S-type structure makes the exercise bike always stable when in use, and the weight-bearing capacity is better. 8 levels resistance. Customize your own stationary exercise bike according to your different needs, with 8 levels of resistance to meet your different fitness plans, suitable for all beginners and professional fitness enthusiasts. Ergonomic design. Pick the most comfortable sitting position by adjusting the seat height of the bike. Number 3. Circuit Fitness Exercise Bike. Heavy-duty steel construction. This multifunctional gym equipment features a premium steel frame that combines design and performance. Its high-grade construction is made from steel tubing that's reinforced with a powder finish to ensure durability. Customizable cycling workout. Designed for fitness enthusiasts of all skill levels, the Circuit Fitness AMS 150 comes with a manual magnetic resistance mechanism with preset levels that simulate the effective biking in different terrains. Easy-to-read LCD monitor. The LCD screen monitors distance traveled, time elapsed, and calories burned. The pulse sensor monitors heart rate to easily keep track of your progress. Textured non-slip pedals. This innovative machine is equipped with ergonomically designed pedals that securely grip your feet with their textured surface. Foldable design. This stationary bike is engineered with a space-saving frame that conveniently folds for easy storage in tiny rooms or small gyms. Number 2. Xterra Exercise Bike. Performance. 3.3 lb precision, balance flywheel with friction-free magnetic resistance provides smooth, quiet, and maintenance-free operation to ensure a smooth and secure workout. The F150 utilizes our solid X frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Technology. The simple yet effective 2x1 LCD window is easy to read and clearly displays important information like speed, time, distance, calories, and pulse. Comfort. Large anatomically designed seat and multi-position padded handlebars provide long-lasting comfort and support. The adjustable strap on the foot pedal secures your foot to make pedaling more efficient. Accessibility. Perfect space-saving fitness solution. The F150 easily folds down. Compact and lightweight with built-in transportation wheels. Number 1. Exerpeutic Exercise Bike. Enough resistance for all fitness levels. Level 1 is perfect for beginners, while Level A will make anyone work for it. Other bikes don't come close to our max resistance. Don't waste money on a bike that will be too easy in a few months. Get a bike that can grow with you. Compact and quiet. Perfect for smaller spaces. This exercise bike folds into a 22x20 footprint. So quiet, you won't disturb anyone in the room. Easy read LCD computer. A large 3.5 x 1.5 LCD screen makes it easy to see your distance, calories burned, time, speed, and pulse. Adjustable seat height. Fits users from 5'3" to 6'0". Perfect for starting a fitness journey with your partner. Designed for the future. Get the Miclod Fitness Cadence Sensor to track your workouts. Stream motivating fitness classes and track your food calories. The future of connected fitness means you don't have to do it alone. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.